Hey guys, this is Scurvied, and this is my second video for video tutorials with Sony Vegas. So I got a lot of requests that I'm going to try to fit into this one video, and I'm going to start off with a request that I got from xKlomyselfx. She wanted to know how I got rid of the black bars on the side, like that. I'm going to teach her how I do it. So the first thing that you're going to do is left click on your selected clip and go to properties and decheck maintain aspect ratio and press OK, and that will get rid of black lines. And I'm going to do the same thing with Pocahontas one, but you'll notice that when I do that it doesn't get rid of it all. I'm going to teach you what to do when this kind of thing happens. You see that there's still some. It's because of the aspect ratio is really weird. And what I do is that to get rid of the rest is I go to video event pan crop. I deselect this lock aspect ratio and I zoom in until there are no more black parts in my video. So I do that. And that's how I get rid of my black borders. So hopefully that's helpful. Okay, so this next tutorial is pretty simple. It was requested by takajacks, and they wanted to know how to make a border with a texture and username, and I'm going to teach them how to do that. So this is the clip that I am going to use, and this is the texture I'm going to use because these shiny type of textures look really well with the Little Mermaid, in my opinion, so it's just what I'm going to use. And the first thing I'm going to do is add a border, and I'm going to have it be about 50. You don't have to go that big, you could go smaller or anything really, but I'm just going to keep it at 50. Yeah. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is add in a video track and drag this up and above it. And you see that it's blocking the Little Mermaid video. And some people would normally just lower the opacity, but I'm a rebel and I'm different and I learned a better way, so I'm using the other way. What you're going to do is click this button here and press any of the ones that you think look good, like any of these. I usually use overlay, and that's what it's going to look like. This is with, this is without. It's really pretty, doesn't it? Okay, so the next step is you're going to insert another video track and insert text media and write your name. I'm just going to use my username. And close that, and I'm going to drag it so that it's the same length as the rest of the video. And I'm going to change the font because I don't like that font. I'm going to change it to my more common lately font, which is Never Let Go. It didn't click. There. Now what I usually do is go to placement or properties and I change my font color to black. And then I go to effects, check draw outline, change the color to white, and then I move the placement of my name to be over here. I was just doing it really quick. You can be more precise with it, but that's basically how you do it. And that's how I do it. And I think it looks good. So hopefully that helped. On to the next tutorial. Alright, so the last tutorial that I'm going to try and fit into this video was requested by my good friend Victoria, SecretHeart20. She wanted to know how I did a swishy type of blur effect in my Strange and Beautiful video, and right now I'm going to teach her how to do that. So the first thing that I did was I went to this linear blur and grabbed the 45-degree one and dragged it onto the second clip so it'll look like that, and go to the first keyframe and kind of like drag it for as long of an amount as you want, and then just drag the amount and the angle down to 0 and it'll look like that. But to make it look a little better, what I did was I did a transition. I used dissolve and I put it in there, and this is what it looks like. So hopefully that's what you wanted, Victoria. If not, then just let me know and I'll redo it for you. And hopefully that was helpful to everyone else who watches these. And thanks for watching. You have no idea how many takes these took me because I am such an awkward person and I screw up a lot. So hope you guys appreciate this. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.